Hi, Nick Sunderland here, creator of the Ultimate Site Diary. I'm going to show you from a joinery subcontractor's point of view how simple it is to create a daily diary. Please follow this tutorial. So we start by clicking the Site Diary logo. It opens up on our phone. Okay, we start by putting the project title in. We're going to call this CCMS Group New Headquarters. We select the work package. This is a pre-populated list. Because we're talking from a joinery contractor's point of view, we select joinery. We then start to add details into the pre-populated site diary. So we start by adding weather and timesheet. The weather conditions outside today are sunny. We hit sunny, it populates it into the form. In the afternoon, fortunately it rains, so we hit rain. We start the site hours. We started at 8 AM this morning. We finish. Standard site hours from the contract is 5:30. We haven't got any overtime or non-productive overtime to record today, but that's an option should you require it. Visitors on site. So, title. Again, it's from a pre-populated list. Today, it's measurement day. We've got to start thinking about putting our valuation in. So the quantity surveyor from the head office comes to site. Quantity surveyor. We select the quantity, 1. Add visitor, and it populates it into the list. We now move on to operatives on site. We select from the title, because we're dealing with a joiner. We hit joiner stroke carpenters. The skill, so there may be skilled, trainee, operators, foreman. Let's say skilled, and we have 10 skilled operatives. We then add operatives. Because we've got 10 operatives, chances are we'll have a foreman. So we click on joiner. Foreman, and we've got 1 foreman for the 10 skilled workers. Add operatives. With the skilled workers, we've got some apprentices, joiners and carpenters, trainee, 3, add operatives. We now move on to the next field, which is management team. Again, it's a pre-populated list of what we perceive to be all the trades or titles of people that operate within the industry. Now on this project, we've got a site manager that's in charge of the whole project. So we click site manager, we've got 1, and we add the member to the team. We don't actually have any other people on this project because it doesn't warrant that, but we have the facility to add all these people in should we need to. The app's intuitive, and if you keep continuing to select site manager, it will start to appear at the top of the list, so you won't have to scroll through these lists. Plant on site. There's a large number of pre-populated plant. Not all plant will be relative to joinery. As discussed, this plant, as you start to select it from the plant that you use most as a joinery contractor, it will start to appear at the top of the list. So, air nail gun. Description. They're a plas load, a first fix gun. Quantity. Add plant. We then move on, and because we're dealing with roofs at the moment, we've got a mobile crane on site. The mobile crane can be found on the list. It's a 2-wheel drive. Description, 25 tonne. And we've got 1 number quantity. We've also got some scaffold mobile working towers on site. Scroll through the list. Description, height, 4 metres. Quantity, 3. Next. Material issues. This is populated not to record the materials that are delivered, but for issues which may cause delay and disruption, a variation, etc. At the moment, we don't have any that we need to record. Accidents and incidents. Okay, unfortunately, one of the operatives has got his hand badly today at site, so we click yes, it's a reportable accident, meaning the HSE will have to be notified. Description. Gym joiner, cut his hand badly, hospital, visit required. Add accident. Issues arising. So again, it's pre-populated of all the things which we envisage you may encounter. So today, because we've got a crane, because we're doing a lift and they dropped some trusses, we've got additional wastage owing to a third party. So we click additional wastage owing to third party. The additional information we can put in, caused by crane. The clause is if it's a relevant contract clause. If we don't know, just put TBA. At least it affords us the opportunity to go back and notify them later. Then we add the issue. Last week we had some day works. So we submitted the day work sheet today. Day work submitted. Day work sheet. Left on site manager's desk and emailed. Clause, we may or may not know. Have to check your individual contract. So we put TBA. You have to fill the field in before you can add the issue. Add issue. Okay, next. So we've been out on site, the quantity surveyor's been, we've had an accident on site, so we now can attach pictures from the issues that have arisen. We go to our gallery on the phone and we see somebody with a badly cut hand. We select, we crop the image. So in the event of an insurance claim, we've got photos of gym joiner hand. Accident. 1:30 p.m. There may be a more detailed accident report, but you can then put a reference in, etc. Add issue. Okay, we want to put some progress photos in from gallery. So let's have a picture of the QS on site. He comes to site doing his measure. we're okay with the picture, QS, monthly visit, add the issue. From gallery, we've been handed over, or we're awaiting a scaffold. So, picture, we put plot 20, scaffold, lift, awaiting. We've taken a picture, we're going to submit the diary on a daily basis. We then have a record as to how long it takes for that scaffolding to be lifted. Add the issue. Okay. We then go next. We then have the opportunity to put other remarks in. So, if we've missed anything, we think there's something important that should be incorporated into this daily diary, we can put it in this field here. We've covered all our bases, we're happy with the diary, so then what we do is we click Generate Report. We then click to view the report. The diary is then saved to your phone, from where it can be WhatsApped, emailed, and is saved as a PDF. So we go out of here, we click on File Manager, Files, and our joinery site diary has been fully completed. So in the event we have an insurance claim from the injured individual, we've got a photograph of the injury that he incurred, and then we can see what the hospitals say. We hope you like this video, we hope you find it useful, and we hope you download our app. Please don't forget that you can download the app for a free 7-day trial. You can contact us or you can email us. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.